U.S. Water Systems sold and manufactured the Green Wave Cascade for 10 or 15 years. And it was a very good system, a very popular system, but we've now moved on to newer and better technology, which is much more satisfactory, and by the way, it's cheaper. But we're not going to leave you hanging with your Green Wave Cascade. If it's time to refurbish your media, to replace your media, we're going to tell you how you can end up making a better system out of this at a lower price. First of all, the pre-filter used to be a radial flow carbon filter, which had about 2 pounds of carbon inside of it. Now what we suggest you do is you put a 5 micron pre-filter where the radial flow carbon filter used to be, and then in the TAC or the NAC tank, the scale prevention tank, you replace that media with granular activated catalytic carbon, which also removes chlorine, chloramines, chemicals, pesticides, and things like that. And then afterwards you add the Lime Blaster chamber, the Lime Blaster cartridge. All of this cost is less than it costs to replace the media inside the Green Wave Cascade. Not only does it cost less, but it works better, and we've got a special price for our recurring Green Wave customers. Check us out. If you have any questions, call one of our certified water specialists. We're glad to help you.